Welcome back. Abu Dhabi's Suru Real Estate recorded a strong yearly performance for 2012 with a net profit of 507.5 million dirhams, 32% up on 2011. And Emirates MBD reported a 3% growth in its annual net profits to 2.6 billion dirhams in 2012. So before we take a look at the day's business news, let's first take a look at the stock indices across the GCC. And continuing with 2012 results, MR Properties recorded a net profit of 2.119 billion dirhams for last year, an 18% rise from 2011. Annual revenue hit 8.240 billion dirhams, with recurring revenues from hospitality and leisure and shopping malls and retail contributing 4.096 billion dirhams, 50% of the total. Additionally, among the most significant achievements of MR in 2012 was establishing downtown Dubai with its $20 billion flagship mega development as the world's most visited tourism, shopping and lifestyle destination. Passengers passing through Abu Dhabi Airports spent a record 809.5 million dirhams last year. That's according to the airport's latest results, with revenues rising 24%. According to a local daily, the ADAC revealed that the results came off the back of a rise in passenger numbers, which grew by 18.9% to reach 14.7 million. Additionally, the airport has forecast duty-free revenues to double to 1.5 billion by 2017, off the back of the new midfield terminal, which will boost passengers to 20 million per year. And Etihad Airways will launch its new schedule of daily flights between Abu Dhabi and Brisbane via Singapore on the 1st of February. And to mark the occasion, Etihad Airways will operate Blue Moon Rising, its Airbus A330-200, painted in the colours of the Manchester City Football Club. According to officials, the new daily service will add an extra 1,048 seats a week to the Abu Dhabi-Singapore-Brisbane route. Blackberry launched its two highly anticipated models for its Blackberry 10 platform into the UAE market in Dubai on Wednesday evening. The Blackberry Z10 and Q10 are Blackberry's latest offering in 10 years since the launch of its first Blackberry device. The manufacturer said that the new offerings are redesigned, re-engineered and reinvented, which offer a faster and smarter experience than any other Blackberry. So what exactly do the new models offer, and how is the market here expected to react?
I think we've had a very good legacy with BlackBerry in the Middle East, and the Z10 and the BlackBerry 10 platform is going to continue this legacy. We have a lot of loyal customers in this region. We have a lot of big BlackBerry fans, and I think with this new type of product, we'll be able to bring this to these loyal customers, a fantastic new product, and on top of that, we'll be able to find new consumers with this type of product. As we talked about this BlackBerry base and the loyal customers of BlackBerry, I think a lot of customers are going to look forward to this touch device that we're launching. So I think a lot of the BlackBerry customers are going to look at the Z10. They're going to find a lot of the attributes that we've had in the history of BlackBerry, and they're going to find them in the Z10. Of course, a lot of other customers are going to be very interested with the launch of the Q10 because they're going to want a physical keyboard. But the reality on the keyboard for us is that whether it's a touch device or a QWERTY device, the keyboard is an attribute that is very, very important for these types of users, and we're bringing them one of the best keyboards, be it touch or QWERTY, in the market.
Analysts at IDC have reported that BlackBerry is expected to attain a market share of 4.7% globally this year. Reports also suggest that up to now, BlackBerry remains the number 2 smartphone maker in the UAE after Samsung. As of the fourth quarter of last year, RIM had a market share of 34% in the UAE, compared to 31% in the third quarter and 35% in the second. The new range of phones will be available to customers on February the 10th, with the Z10 costing around 2,599 dirhams, while the Q10 will launch in April. Guests at the launch were excited by the new models, as well as positive about demand and competition.
It's a different BlackBerry. It's completely different. Its user interface is one a lot of competitors should be worried about, and I'm very excited to actually get a hands-on experience with it. Should be fun.